Let's take a look at how to deep clean the blade on your Ninja blender. This is important to do because you'll get stuff stuck on over time. You can especially get things kind of there's like little compartments in there. And even washing this routinely, it's important to do a deep clean from time to time. So we're gonna go ahead and take this blade. We're first very carefully gonna put it into a bowl here. And then I like to put some lemon juice directly on there and let that soak for a little bit. And then we'll fill that bowl with water and let it soak with a water and lemon juice combo for about an hour is usually best. And that's gonna help to really loosen up any of the kind of stuck on stuff that's on that before we move on to our next step. So just make sure it's either fully submerged or mostly submerged, flip it over periodically. I don't like to physically scrub it because it's dangerous with a sharp blade on there to be trying to get in there with like a sponge. So this is avoiding that. Again, you can add more lemon juice if you want to have a stronger kind of acidic component here. And we're just gonna let it sit and I'll just sort of rotate periodically through here. So coming back about an hour later, you can see this has loosened a lot of that stuff up on there. You can see some of the gunk coming right off of that. And that's great. That means it's now ready for the next step, which is we're just gonna pop this into the dishwasher top rack. It's safe for that. And because we've loosened all of that stuff up, it's now gonna be able to come off easily in the dishwasher. So our next move is gonna be to just take that out and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the top rack, again, being very safe, and then just run your dishwasher as normal. Here it is when it's done. We will pop that out, take this item out, and we can see it is very clean now. All that stuff was loosened up by the lemon juice. The dishwasher can now get it off very readily. And this is a pretty much perfectly deep cleaned blade. You can even take a look in the inside there. All that gunk is gone.